Here we have 5 squared off pictures and the STL files for our frame. First we will transform the pictures into lithophane STL files. Keep in mind that the darker an area in the picture, the thinner that area will be when printed. That is why I have prepared pictures with white background. You can have more color in your background, but if you do, you might want to edit with paint and add a thin white border around the edges so that the edges fit snugly into their channels. Next we will bring them into our slicer, resize, reposition, and add some breakaway supports. The 4 sides of the box must all be squares with sides of 120 mm and thickness of 2.2 mm. Remember to be sure and resize while they are laying flat in order to keep all proportions accurate. Here I am using a blank object to make the supports. I will make them wide enough to add support and increase the contact area for bed adhesion. I am keeping them 0.8 mm thick so they break away easy, and I am keeping them a little over half the height of the picture that I am printing, since that is all that is really needed to keep it sturdy. When adding your supports, make sure that the support is barely contacting the picture. I like to position the support where it barely contacts the side, and then I move it back so that it covers a little less than half the thickness of the picture. Too much contact and they will not want to break away, and you might end up breaking the picture while removing them. Too little contact and they won't support the picture. They are not always needed, but I would rather use a little more printing than have one fall over mid-print. This can take a few minutes, and you may need to rotate your view to get a clear view. I find it easiest to look for any cracks of light between the 2 objects. If you see light, you need to move them closer. Continue the same process for the other 3 side pictures. Remember to keep all your sizing correct. Now that we have done the 4 pics for the sides, we will do the picture for the top. It is slightly different in size. It should be 114.5 millimeters on the sides and have a thickness of 2.5 millimeters. Now we will prepare our frame. I will include a link in the description for this. No adjustments are needed for the frame. Once all our parts have been sliced, we are ready to begin printing. Yay, it's playtime! First, let's print our frame. A link for the light is in the description. Broly. Frieza. Vegeta. Goku. The 7 Dragon Balls. Simply snap the pieces together and enjoy. Thanks for watching.